Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see two questions based on the concept of predicted bus times. Let us see the first one. Calculate predicted bus time for the fifth process using simple averaging with previous runs are 4, 8, 6, 7 units. Guys, in general, we can able to predict the bus times of a process using two ways. One will be simple averaging, another one will be exponential averaging. Guys, if you want to clear the concept effectively, just go with the previous video so that you can get the clear idea about simple averaging and exponential averaging and what are their formulas. To calculate the simple averaging, we can go with the formula 1 by n into summation of I equal to 1 to n of t1 plus t2 and so on tn, which means here how many processes are there? 4 processes are there, so n value will be 4. And what are the actual bus times? 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7, which I can calculate as 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 7 25, 25 by 4, which is equal to 6.25 units. So the predicted bus time for the fifth process is 6.25 units. Okay. Similarly, let us see the second one. Calculate the predicted bus time for the fifth process using exponential averaging. Right? So if you want to perform calculations using exponential averaging, you have to have compulsory come up with tau 1 value. Am I right? Predicted bus time of process P1. So that is the reason they have given if the predicted bus time for the first process is 10 units and the actual time for the first 4 processes are 4, 8, 6, 7, which means T1, T2, T3, T4 units, given alpha equal to 0.5. So what is the formula for exponential averaging? I can say the tau n plus 1 equal to alpha into tn plus 1 minus alpha into tau n, where small tn is the actual burst time and tau n is the predicted burst time, right? So what they are asking for predicted burst time for the fifth process. So we have to come up with the tau 5. What is tau 5 then? Tau 5 is alpha t4 plus 1 minus alpha tau 4. Can we substitute directly alpha also? Yes. So alpha value they have given as 0.5. So 1 minus alpha is 0.5. So you can substitute the way you want. Next go with tau 4, 0.5 into t3 plus 0.5 into tau 3. What is tau 3? So can I take the common 0.5 instead of writing every time 0.5 into t2 plus tau 2. What is tau 2? 0.5 into t1 plus tau 1. T1 plus tau 1. This is where we can stop. What is tau 1? Which they have given clearly. That is predicted burst time of the first process is 10 units, which means tau 1 is 10. What is T1? T1 will be 4, which means tau t is 14 by 2, that is 7 units. That 7 units substituted to tau 2. What is T2? T2 will be 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 by 2, which is 7.5 units. So if you substitute in tau 3, 7.5 units. What is T3? T3 will be 6. 6 plus 7.5, that is 13.5 by 2. 13.5 by 2 is equal to 6.75 units. Right? Substitute that 6.75 in tau 4, and what is T4? T4 will be 7, which means 6.75 plus 7. 13.75 by 2, which is approximately 6.875 units. Right? So this is the answer for what they asked. So the predicted burst time for fifth process is 6.875. Hope you understood this problem, guys, clearly.